Hey all, I'm Sanjeet. Today I have taken an indispensable topic which is applicable for everybody else. Even you cannot move a single step of your life without that, and that is confidence. Today we'll discuss on basic 3 points of confidence. First, definition. What is the definition of the confidence? Second, how do we build up confidence? And third, how can we utilize confidence? If you want to go to the dimension of the confidence, you need to know all these 3 points thoroughly. Without delay, let's move to the first point, definition. We will discuss what is the definition of the confidence. Definition word came from Latin word fidere, F-I-D-E-R-E, which means to trust. Some people say it came from Latin word confido. The meaning is same here also, to trust. From here we can understand that confidence means we need to keep faith, we need to believe. But question is that whom do we believe? While a person believes in something else, someone else and oneself, like himself, herself, yourself, etc., myself, themselves, etc., then his belief system carries a positive feeling. That positive feeling boosts the energy of his body and mind, which helps him to go forward. Such a belief system is called confidence. Now, if you look at the definition of the confidence, you will be able to understand that confidence comes from 3 sources: something else, someone else and oneself, like himself, herself, yourself, myself, themselves, ourselves, etc. We'll discuss all these 3 points deeply here. Now we'll discuss something else. This category confidence comes while a person believes in something else. Here something else means what? Something else means the items whatever you are using in your daily life. Something else can be your laptop, your mobile phone, your bike, car. It can be the bus where you have to travel every day. It can be the flight where you have to take a journey of a day. Now, what is the fundamental point that we need to understand? Taking an example, you have a nice car. Whether it is Mercedes-Benz or Lamborghini, you have a drive of 110 kilometers to join in a meeting in your office. Now, if you believe in your car, you will get positive thought. That positive thought will boost the energy of your body and mind, which is called confidence. This confidence will make you understand that there is nothing to worry. Your car is alright, even you will drive carefully. Then only you can sit inside the car to drive. But if you believe in your car, it doesn't mean that you will be reached in your destination safely by your car. No, your car can be crashed, you can meet with a serious accident, you can be injured in the middle of the road. There are many things which can happen with you, but there is no any choice without believing. If you do not believe in your car, your mind will become negative, doubtful, and you will lose your confidence. From here you need to understand that only your confidence will take you to your destination. Next, someone else. This category confidence comes while a person believes in someone else. Here, someone else means what? Someone else means the person with whom you are dealing your daily life. Someone else can be your friend, your neighbor, your team, the faculty member of your organization, etc. Taken an example, you have faith in your team that they will take you to your target in this year. They will help you to touch the position where you wish to go. To make your plan success, you have made them understand that they have to work hard, they have to maintain their punctuality and should be honest. Although all are agree and they have started working in your project, no one can give you a guarantee that everybody will work with you honestly. No, somebody can cheat you, somebody will not follow the instructions, some of those can destroy your plans because of their ignorance, some of those can leave you in the middle of difficulty. But if you do not believe in your team, you will not be able to work with a single person of your team. Eventually, you will see you are alone. The reality is, your confidence in someone else will help you to pave the way of your success. Next, oneself, like himself, herself, yourself, etc. This category confidence comes while a person believes in oneself. For example, if he or she believes in himself or herself, if I believe in myself, you believe in yourself, they believe in themselves, etc. Here, no one can cheat you, no one can scold you, even no one can stop you from doing hard work. It is also called self-confidence. Here you are your own boss. Your plan cannot be destroyed by others. You can implement all kinds of ideas according to your wish. And this confidence works in our life 100%. Here we will discuss how do we build up confidence. For that, we need to concentrate on below mentioned aspects: accumulating or gathering knowledge, avoiding fear of public criticism and comparison. Next, preparation. We will discuss one by one. Accumulating or gathering knowledge. Knowledge removes fear, anxiety, hesitation, nervousness day by day. You can gather knowledge from various sectors such as reading books, making friends who are in positive attitude. Even you can learn from the situation while you failed and handled. Even the social media teaches us many things, but we have to take the positive knowledge. Knowledge will make you change and build up your confidence. Next, avoiding fear of public criticism and comparison. We are losing our confidence only because of comparison. We are scared to do something new only because of public criticism. We are unable to understand that all are unique in this world. We need to select our best area according to our skills and interest. This process will build up our confidence. Taking an example, being a chaiwala and from poor family background, Sri Narendra Modi could have thought that to be a Prime Minister of India one day is impossible. But he did not compare himself with others. He worked according to his skills and had enough confidence. Next, preparation. Long preparation gives us deep confidence. Taking an example, former Indian cricket player and captain of national team Sri Sachin Tendulkar, who made a great record in this world. But we need to understand that he started preparation to hold this position many years ago. Third and last point is, how can we utilize confidence? And that is practice. If you want to utilize your confidence, then you have to practice. Because confidence is just like an energy of our body and mind. Unless we do not convert it into practice, we cannot expect any result. Taking an example, if someone reads hundreds and hundreds of books of swimming, he will know all the procedures of swimming and he will get enough confidence. But if he doesn't practice, nothing will happen. Thank you. Keep practicing.